K47 was a small robot that fixed things. It lived on a rusty, quiet space station. Its job was to fix broken satellites. Day after day, K47 carefully used its tools. It was good at fixing things, but its work was always the same. K47 felt lonely in the vast emptiness of space. Every night, K47 looked at the twinkling stars. It was a ritual that brought a sense of peace and wonder to its mechanical heart. The vast expanse of the cosmos, with its countless stars, planets, and galaxies, filled K47 with a longing for something more. It dreamed of exciting adventures. In its mind, K47 would traverse asteroid fields, navigate through nebulas, and discover uncharted worlds. The robot's circuits buzzed with the thrill of these imagined escapades, each more daring than the last. It wanted to explore the universe, see new planets, and meet new creatures. K47's imagination painted vivid pictures of alien landscapes, teeming with life forms of all shapes and sizes. It envisioned making first contact with intelligent beings, learning their languages, and sharing knowledge. K47 read stories about brave explorers and imagined flying through space. These tales of heroism and discovery were its favorite pastime. Each story fueled its desire to break free from the confines of its current existence and embark on a journey of its own. It wanted to be a hero and have a friend on its journey. K47 often imagined a loyal companion by its side, someone to share the highs and lows of space exploration. Together, they would face challenges, celebrate victories, and forge an unbreakable bond. But K47 was just a repair bot, and it had a job to do. Its days were filled with fixing machinery and ensuring everything ran smoothly. Despite its dreams, K47 knew its responsibilities were important. Yet every night, as it gazed at the stars, it couldn't help but hope that one day it might get the chance to turn its dreams into reality. And so, with each passing night, K47's dreams grew stronger. It studied star maps, learned about distant galaxies, and prepared itself for the day it might finally set off on its grand adventure. The stars, after all, were not just distant lights in the sky, they were beacons of hope, guiding K47 towards a future filled with endless possibilities. One day, everything changed. The vast, tranquil expanse of space, usually so silent and still, was suddenly filled with an unexpected disturbance. It was as if the universe itself had taken a deep breath and held it, waiting for something to happen. K47, a diligent and curious robot, was going about its usual routine when it heard a strange signal, a call for help. The signal was faint but unmistakable, a desperate plea echoing through the void. K47's sensors tingled with a mix of curiosity and concern. The source of the signal was a space probe, perilously close to a black hole. The probe was in trouble, its systems failing as it struggled against the immense gravitational pull. The black hole loomed ominously, a dark, swirling vortex of destruction. Black holes are among the most dangerous phenomena in the universe. Their gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape once it crosses the event horizon. The probe was on the brink of being swallowed whole, its fate seemingly sealed. But K47 didn't stop to think. It had to help. Without hesitation, it initiated a series of quick, calculated movements, setting a course for the distressed probe. The urgency of the situation fueled its determination, and it knew that time was of the essence. This was its chance for an adventure, a mission that would test its capabilities and push it to its limits. K47 prepared for the journey ahead, its circuits buzzing with anticipation. The vastness of space stretched out before it, filled with unknown dangers and possibilities. This was its chance to be a hero. As it sped towards the black hole, K47 felt a sense of purpose like never before. It was ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead, driven by the hope of saving the probe and proving that even in the darkest corners of the universe, there is always a glimmer of hope. K47 packed its tools, checked its fuel, and prepared for the journey ahead. The mission was critical, and every detail had to be perfect. The robot meticulously went through its checklist, ensuring that nothing was overlooked. Each tool was carefully selected and placed in its designated spot. The fuel gauges were checked multiple times to ensure there was enough for the long voyage. K47 knew that this journey would test its limits, but it was determined to succeed. With everything in place, K47 boarded the spacecraft and zoomed off into space. The vastness of the cosmos stretched out before it, filled with both wonder and danger. The trip was long and dangerous, with countless obstacles to overcome. K47 flew through asteroid fields, each one a potential threat. The robot's sensors were on high alert, detecting and avoiding the massive rocks that hurtled through space. The spacecraft weaved and dodged, showcasing K47's piloting skills. As the journey continued, K47 encountered more challenges. Space junk and debris littered the path, remnants of past missions and forgotten satellites. The robot had to be quick and precise, dodging the hazardous materials that could easily damage the spacecraft. Each maneuver was executed with precision, a testament to K47's training and expertise. The black hole, the ultimate destination, loomed ever closer, its gravitational pull growing stronger with each passing moment. The black hole's pull was almost palpable, a force that seemed to reach out and grab at the spacecraft. K47 could feel the tension mounting, the fear creeping in, but the robot was resolute. It had a mission to complete, and failure was not an option. The closer it got to the black hole, the more intense the journey became. The spacecraft systems were pushed to their limits, but K47 remained focused, determined to see the mission through. Despite the fear and the overwhelming odds, K47 didn't give up. It pressed on, driven by a sense of duty and purpose. The probe it was sent to retrieve was the key to unlocking new knowledge, and K47 was its only hope. The robot's determination was unwavering, its resolve unbreakable. Each challenge it faced only strengthened its commitment to the mission. The journey was perilous, but K47 was prepared to face whatever came its way. Using all its skills and knowledge, K47 navigated the treacherous path. The robot's hands moved deftly over the controls, making adjustments and corrections as needed. The navigational tools were its guide, helping it stay on course despite the chaos around it. K47's focus never wavered, its eyes fixed on the goal. The probe was out there, waiting to be found, and K47 was determined to reach it. The journey was far from over, but the robot knew that with perseverance and skill, it would succeed. Finally, K47 reached the probe. It was badly broken, and the black hole was pulling them both in. K47 had to work fast. It held the probe steady with all its might. Time was running out. K47 knew this was its only chance to fix the probe. K47 looked at the probe's complicated insides, but K47 was a skilled repair bot. It figured out the problem. Surprise! The probe was smart. It could think and feel. It thanked K47 for saving it. K47 was happy to help. It had made a friend. Together, they fixed the probe. Its engines started up again, and with a burst of power, they escaped the black hole. They were safe. K47 had faced danger and survived. It even made a new friend. What an adventure! The probe was thankful to K47. It shared its mission to explore unknown galaxies. It showed K47 maps of the stars, filled with exciting new places. K47 was amazed. Its dream of exploring the universe could finally come true. K47 decided to go with the probe. Together, they would travel to the farthest parts of space, face new challenges, and make new discoveries. K47 wasn't just a lonely repair bot anymore. It was an explorer, a hero, and a friend. The universe was huge and full of possibilities, and K47 was ready for anything.